welcome to YOUCANIC. In this video we're going to take a look at how to replace the ABS wheel speed sensor on a Mitsubishi. Now before you replace the sensor, what you want to do is you want to connect a scanner that can read ABS codes and then determine which ABS sensor is faulty, because you have one in each wheel, and sometimes your ABS or your traction control light come on not because of an ABS sensor. You might have another issue. We could have a problem with the ABS pump, and so it's important to read those codes first, so you're only replacing the parts that is defective. Here you can see the wire for the ABS sensor. Replacing the sensor is very easy. So first let's look at behind the rotor over here so you can see a little bit better. And you can see the sensor is right here. It's held in place with this 10mm bolt right here. We're gonna get that loose. Broke that bolt loose, and we can remove that by hand. And see the bolt, and then the sensor simply just pulls straight out. And see, this is dirty here, and then you want to come and pay attention to the way the wire is routed, but because you want to route the new one the exact same way. So you come here, you remove it from there. So you'd remove this here, and this, also this 12mm bolt here, because the bracket holds the wire. Then you'd come up here, you have the same thing right up there to the frame, another 12mm bolt. Now on this side over here we can see where the wire goes into the engine bay. So to disconnect the sensor, you'd have to open the hood and access the wire from back there. So let's take a look. So if we look down here, this is the wire comes right through there, and it comes right up here, and it's this connector. Now you can remove this clip right here if you just press this white piece and then you pull it out. You can see you have to press this on both sides, but the connector itself, it's a little bit challenging as well, because you will also have to press on this right here on this clip and then pull. Now you'd be pulling the bottom part of it. If you want to keep this in the car and not remove this from that clip right there, then you want to press on this side right here, press that clip, and as you keep that pressed, you pull down on this connector. And then once you do that, you can move this, push this through here and remove that rubber grommet, push that through and remove and install the new ABS sensor. And that's it, very simple. You want to read the codes afterwards, make sure there's no active codes, and clear them, and you should be good to go. Thank you for watching.